Hello viewers, greetings to all of you. Today we will discuss what is the definition of penology and what is the meaning of penology. So, penology is the study of punishment and prison management. Modern penology deals with three major perspectives. That is number 1, punishment; number 2, prison system; number 3, offender rehabilitation. In other words, penology is the scientific and systematic study of punishment. Penology is branch of criminology that deals with method of punishment, correction of criminal, prevention of crime. Now we will discuss what is the definition of penology. Penology is a branch of criminology that deals with prison management and the treatment of offenders.